Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2013 Mini Convertible. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and manual gearbox, producing 120 brake horsepower while still returning up to 49 miles per gallon. The engine is Euro 6 compliant, and this is a one-owner vehicle and has covered a nice low mileage of just over 30,000 miles. This particular colour is called British Racing Green and really does make the car look nice. This particular car, the original owner spent over £6,000 on factory options, so a few worth mentioning. First of all, you have the leather black seats there with the cream piping. These are also heated, so ideal for the winter drives. They also chose climate control, the Chilli Pack, and also the 3-spoke steering wheel there with the multi-function buttons in the centre. Just to mention a few features there, but overall you've got a nice interior. As we open the tailgate, you see you've got quite a deep boot there. It goes quite a way back, and you also have the cargo net still in its original package. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the twin-spoke alloy wheels, as well as rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.